everyone, I'm back to my kitchen and we had a great trip of visiting family in China. I shared some videos, short videos. Did you watch it? Do you like shorts? Please leave a comment below, let me know. And today I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe with the pit tips. Did you ever cook with pit tips? They are so good to stir fry, but today we'll make a soup with pit tips. Let me show you how to prepare the pit tips. It's all about the tips, right? Here's a piece of a pit tip, and then we just break the tip part. And we don't need this. And you can see the bottom already wilted. Okay, here. And some of them just tip. We don't need to do anything. Last one. And I'm going to triple wash them. And I have one green onion. Always separate the white part from the green. Two eggs. Oops. Can I have a shell? Always I season with a little bit salt. White pepper powder. If you don't have it, you can skip it or use black pepper powder. And whisk it. I'm heating up the pan to high heat. Add some oil. Now add the white part of green onions to flavor the oil. Followed by the eggs. Let it set. It's up to you, but I like cook egg a little bit well, especially for this soup, so have more taste. We can just break into bigger piece. That should be good. You see the color. Now we add 3 cups of water. Of course, you can add the chicken stock, but traditionally we use water. So let this boil. Now the soup is boiling. Just season with a little bit salt. Add our pit tips. Pit tips only take a few seconds to cook. Just garnish with green onions. A little bit white pepper powder to your own taste. And the soup is done. Smells so fresh, refreshing. Cheers.
Cheers.
Very refreshing. Pit tips so tender. You can always add to your any soup or into noodle soup. Of course, you can stir fry. Please try to make it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.